this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor, coming in this nice silver coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a dual exhaust. You do have these nice tow hooks, rear park sensing, that nice backup camera, the nice F-150 Raptor logo, and of course, we do have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. We also have the nice Raptor decal on the side here. We do have rear view blind spot detection, my bad. And moving to the front, we do have a nice block heater right there. You do have two tow hooks as well, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice gray and black leathering with some black cloth textured, and that's also perforated. As you can see there, we do have 2 cup holders, 12-volt outlet, 2 heated seats, 2 USBs, 110-volt outlet. We do have plenty of door space as well, some nice carbon fiber accents. We do have inflatable seat belts in the back, and if you need more, you can always lift up the seats for some extra storage. And of course, you can pull this down for some arm space and 2 cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same black and silver black and silver leathering with the black leather perforated and the gray black cloth, but we do get the additional Raptor logo on the front here. We of course have plenty of door space again, that nice carbon fiber accent, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, your lights, your 2 blind spot detections. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 164,991 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with nice red accents. We also have the Raptor logo at the bottom here. Paddle shifters, of course. Volume and media. You do have your mute mode, phone. So these are your drive modes. You have your steering wheel modes as well. But for our drive modes, we do get normal, deep sand and snow. Oh, come on. Baja, rock crawl, and we do have sport, tow and haul, and slippery. And for our steering wheel modes, we have normal, sport, and comfort. And continuing to look here, you do have your cruise controls there, as well as your toggle for your main screen, which you can go through My View, which you can set up however you like. We do have trip and fuel, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, navigation, so on and so forth. Truck info such as gauge, digital speedometer, so on and so forth. Towing, Raptor status, off-road, other settings. And looking over here, we do have our nice gear shift, which is also carbon fibered. We have our speed adjusters, lane keep, little spot for storage, 2 cup holders, fair bit of storage there with the 2 USBs, and this does close with more carbon fiber accents. We do have a nice leather wrapped center console here with a lot of storage, as well as a 12-volt outlet down there. We do have heated and cooled front seats. You have dual climate. You have your trailer disconnect, trailer backup, 4-wheel drive capabilities, rear axle lock, volume, tune, 12-volt outlet, 110-volt outlet, auto stop, auto start, view of the vehicle, hazards, trailer control, and traction control. And looking at our main screen here, you do have navigation, what station you're currently on, what device is connected, and your heated steering wheel function. You do have audio, which is Sirius XM capable. Climate, which you can control here or down there, whatever you prefer. Phone, navigation so you don't get lost, any apps you do have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is pretty nice. And of course we have more carbon fiber accents with a little bit of storage in the glove box. And looking above me, we do have 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. We do have a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And of course our functions for a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. The stock number for this vehicle is B7603, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.